What's up, YouTube? Um, Thought I'd do a little back test for today. Um, yeah, I'm not feeling too confident today. It's 6 o'clock. I was trading for a couple hours. I was online earlier, but never took anything. Yesterday, you can check the last video. But yesterday was a tough day. It wasn't even a day where I was wrong, so really the hesitation shouldn't really be here, but it was just a lot of, don't know, when you take losses like that, it's just for whatever reason it's scary to get back in the arena again. But I did draw this out. No, it's from there, isn't it? And this is looking alright so far, but yeah, I hesitated to get in. To be honest, that part of me wanted to go there as well, because this would have just looks a bit too tight. But yeah, I hesitate to get in that. But it will probably run to take profit now. But anyway, let me just explain what the why I've drawn that. So what the strategy is. Essentially, the strategy is supply and demand. It is about wrapping up the candle before the push that breaks the structure. So let me just draw this. So there's a break of here's uptrend. This breaks the structure. So what you do is you wrap up, draw a box around the candle, wait for price to tap into that, and then sell it and aim for at least the low, like that. But I realised that I used to struggle with figuring out where what swing structure to be looking at, and I used to use the fib, but I used to use the fib and plus this used to be it without this blue line. I used to enter on this because most of the time, look, it used to line up perfectly with the order blocks. So I used to line it up like that. But what I realised was that these were one-to-one trades. So the risk to reward ratio just gave me no confidence in the trades. Even though it was a winning strategy, it was difficult. So what I realised is that just by moving my entry back to half the order block, it becomes a 3-to-1 instead of a 1-to-1. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Do you know what? Let's backtest on a pair that I don't actually trade, just so we can. I feel like it'll be a nice little exercise. I did look at trading it today and yesterday, but I actually didn't take anything. Maybe it's just today actually, but I didn't actually take anything. But yeah, let's do it. Little back test. Monday 11th. Let's go to Monday the 4th. Start at 8:30. And a little sheet. Let's do a quick back test. Okay, it's called. I call this my deep discount fib strategy. So let's have a look. USD CAD. Okay, let's do this. And the good thing about this strategy is that you don't really need a daily bias. The one thing I do actually do though is mark out previous day high. and previous day low. And then drop down to the hour just for a little idea of what we're doing. Maybe look at some order blocks. I'm not seeing any order blocks here right now. That would be one, but it didn't break any structure, so I'm not gonna actually target that. So yeah, we're just playing between this range now. Drop back to the 5 and we will look for some setups. Okay, here's a setup straight away, but I don't think that's gonna hold, so we're gonna, yeah. Okay. Alright, let's go for that. Fib. Cool, that's a nice entry. Lines up with the order block. The problem with this strategy is that you do miss them sometimes. For example, look, it's tapped in now. Sometimes price will just take off without you. Okay, we're in. We are tapped in. Can't lie, I'm not feeling massively confident with this because it already made a little push that was quite strong, and this coming back was quite strong, but you know, we're in now. Let's just see what happens. Hang on. Stop loss would be there. Oh yeah, also this is take profit 1 here, 3 to 1, and take profit 2 is 5 point, usually 5 point something, maybe 5, between 5 and 5.5 to 1 is take profit 2. So this has been playing with us so far. Nice, we've got our 1 to 1, that's Monday the 4th. That was it's from 10:40 to 12 o'clock, so that was quite a long one. Let's play this out a little longer. Do we get to 5? Yeah, we do. Lovely jubbly. And out at 1 o'clock. So this is the strategy. That was a beautiful trade. So if we are risking 100 on each, we are now up 8. What is it? That would be 300 now. That would be, do you know what, I'm just going to say this is 5R just for the sake of it. So that would be 5, that would be 3, so we're up 800 now. Nice. I'm gonna add one more that says once we passed 3R, did we ever come back to 1 to 1? Because I'm just thinking of ways that I can safely lock in profit if we don't go all the way to the swing structure. So I'm gonna put 1 to 1 after 3R. In this case it didn't, which is good. So yeah. Even 2 to 1 really. Could even put 2 to 1. After 3R. Do you know what? Let me just put after 3R, which is position 1. We came back to 2.5, 2.6R. So that, okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the day really. I stop at 1:30. So yeah, nice trade, nice little win. for the day. On to the next day. The reason also I don't trade before 8:30 is because from back testing I've realised that there's usually like a manipulation move that happens within the first hour of London session. I'm not seeing anything here that tickles my fancy. Except maybe this. But we'll see what happens. Do you know what? I'm just going to mark that out real quick as I'm going to mark that as let's call it the 1 hour swing high. It's probably not that, but let's just call it that for now. Cool. Okay. Tough one. Because again, what the fuck is going on out there? Again, this is not really swing structure, but I kind of like this. I don't think I do like this actually. Let's let this one go. We broke previous day high, so you could, but 1.3 pips as a stop loss is horrible. Also, that I would want to cover the swing low, and then realistically, if it comes that far, it's going to be invalid. So I'm going to leave this as a trade. I don't like the look of it. Thank goodness for that. Would we have got? Yeah, we would have got our 3 hour anyway. Would have made a bit of profit on that, but I'm glad I stayed out of that trade. This is a big sell-off. Jeez. Right, for these now, because I've got nothing clear here, and obviously we're waiting for some kind of turning point with this. I'm going to drop to the 15. See if we can get an order block from there. And there is one there. But again, that doesn't give me a massive amount of confidence because there's no swing for me to hook this under. Plus this is coming down so heavy that I wouldn't want to jump in that. Even if it does reverse right now, I don't want to jump in that. Okay. I don't really see any positions that I want to take right now, so I'm just going to let this play out. Maybe show us a bit of a cleaner structure that I could jump in to, like this as a sell. Can we short that? This is an order block now. I've tapped into it twice, and I would probably go from there to there. Yeah, alright, let's play this out. Might not come back to it. Nah. Ooh, look at that for a sell-off. That's New York Open. So yeah, this is what I mean. Sometimes you don't get the position. If I was in this would have been really perfect. Look, it's respected that completely, but you know, I'm waiting for these deep discounts, and sometimes they just don't come, so we leave them. So yeah, Tuesday the 5th, no trade. Alright, on to the next day. How long have we been going? 15 minutes. Alright, here we go. This is nice. I like this as a little setup. Let's just see what kind of range we're playing in right now. Again, nothing clear. I like that. Was that yesterday's? Fuck me, I could have had that on the hour. Oh, that was the one that we was waiting for on it, but never sold off. That's just swept that, but it hasn't really pushed down low. I'm saying we might sell. Previous day high. Can get rid of that now. Previous day high. Previous day low. Okay, back to the 5. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna jump in that because firstly, many equal lows says to me liquidity, and we've also just tapped into that, so I'm not that confident in this right now. Just let this one play out. Okay. Okay, so we could have jumped in that. We would have got 1R. No, we would have got 3R. But actually, we would have got 3R out of that. Which is okay, but I'm glad I didn't jump in it. Again, this is tough because we've got a lot of POIs here. We've got one there. We've got one above. And that's already been tapped into. So part of me does want to jump in there. But the problem is that's quite a tight stop loss. And price could easily come a bit deeper. Let's go for the 15. See what happens. Okay, yeah, I'll go from here. Oh shit, I'll go from there. It could even come higher, but I'm hoping it doesn't because we've already tapped in to that, and we haven't actually broken structure either. Let's just play it out. I'm not gonna jump in yet. Ooh. Do you know what? I'm gonna move to there. And if we miss it, we miss it. Looks like we missed it. Yeah, it's gonna sell off now, isn't it? So where was the actual POI? It was there, the first one. There we go. But that was yeah, that makes sense because this one was the one that actually broke this low, broke these lows. But it's just it's very tight. It's a risky trade. Alright, let's just play this out. I think we're gonna run out of time. Jesus crud. What on earth was that? What was that about? Flipping hell. What the fuck? Well, that came to sweep all these people out. Where was that one? There, it was this order block here. Interesting. That was the one I marked up. Okay. Alright, no trades on Wednesday either. But remembering that, you know, we got 4 other pairs here, so you are going to get a trade at least every day. Well, at least every other day. And yeah, sometimes playing it safe is the best option. Like, you know, sometimes it's not worth risking the money. Right, nothing strong right now. I haven't seen any breaks of structure. Nah, I'm not jumping in any of this. I don't know where this is going. Okay. Canadian news coming up. This is one of them tough ones again, isn't it? Nah, I'm not. I don't like any of this. Jesus, look at that. Whipped everyone out, bastard. Alright, nothing again. It's Thursday. No trade. Thursday, 7th of March. Let's play this out. It's tough when you have to wait quite a while for these things to play out. Like, it's quite easy on backtesting, but when you're actually watching this for 4 hours or whatever it is, from 9 till 1, and you're waiting and waiting for a setup that just doesn't come, it's long, man, and it makes you want to jump into positions that aren't that strong. I think the discipline is in being patient with this shit. Okay, what do we have here? We have price coming to an order block. This is the order block here. It's coming nice and deep. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take that. I don't know how confident I am in it, but I think I'm gonna take it nonetheless. How when trade interview does that? Look, it's already showed me the future. Let's see. Oh, stopped out. Okay. See, this is why I just get aggressive, because even the people who trade safer, let's say people wait for reactions off trades, yeah. So you see the reaction, you still get wrecked. You can still get wrecked just as much, but it's likely that your profit thing ain't as good. Although sometimes, actually, let me take that back, because that's fucking great. If that would have came in, but they're not all like that. Sometimes you lose the trade. This only came back so far because it was a loser. Anyway, 10 past 11. I'll be result by 10:40. 11. Alright. Wonder if I would have seen that while checking the 1 hour. Nah. I would have been selling off the 1 hour as well. Where's this gonna turn from then? From there? It's interesting. Give it a 15-minute for now. Oh, snap-a-doodle, is it there? We're going to this higher order block. I'll jump back in. I'm jumping back in. Oh boy. Oh, you motherfucker. Look at that, stopped out. I should have covered that hard there. Oh wait, either way we would have got wrecked because of news. That sucks. 12 o'clock. In and out. Another 200 lost. Oh, Friday, that's down, man. How long have we been going? 28 minutes. Right, let's do the next week. Still finish the week in profit. I'll take it. Let me just put week 1 up there, and then that is the final profit for week 1. And then week 2. I'm just gonna put that in a darker green actually. That's stupid. Let's put 400 profit. It's not the best. It's really not the best, but let's go for week 2. It's gonna be what? Monday the 11th of March. Let's have a look. Okay, we're gonna play this nice and reserved. Man, this is the problem. We've got that as an order block, and we've got that as an order block. Part of me wants to do this because of FOMO, but I'm gonna let it go. It didn't come to it anyway. Oh shit, it did. No, it didn't. Oh right, okay. Okay. Here's something I've just missed. So firstly, we would have got 3-1 there if I jumped in. But secondly, this is a complete opposite end trade. That was the winner, look. Now, just because I've played price action too fast, I always do this backtesting, man. I always forget to friggin' think about the flip zone. But anyway, let's get in this and see what we can do. It's now 12:20. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Are you absolutely joking me? 12:35. That's what I mean, man. This the strategy is good. Because look, still, we've had that many losses. I'm gonna put. We've had this many losses and we're still in profit, but fuck me, man. We should not be. I guess this is the thing, you avoid these when you trade, like you wait for the reaction, like the break of structure. You avoid these situations and where you just get blown straight through. Yeah. Okay. Doubt we're gonna get anything for the rest of the day now. No. Alright. On to the next. Come on, let's get us a win, shall we? Imagine we started so strong as well. Well, they weren't that strong, it's just one win, but still. Don't think I would have jumped in that, even if I would have had stopped. Just fuck me, man. No, I think that's going off. Also, I forgot to do the hourly order blocks. Wow. Okay. This looks good. Does it though? This is like the same shit. That's neat. Just look at this order block here. I'm not even going to touch them wicks, just keep it like that. Right, look how deep that's going to go. Fuck me, man. Right, let's see. Hopefully price starts going long now. I'm not jumping in it yet. Nothing for Tuesday. I'm just gonna pause that so I can do days, highs and lows. What was that Tuesday? Oh fuck, that's the low. Move yourself. Right, 8 o'clock. We got another little order block there. But again, it's no, it's not an order block actually. It's failed. That is not broke above that. Okay. I like the look of this. I like the look of this. Just hope it don't do us dirty. Order block is there. No, it's not. Order block is there. Okay, we'll be lucky to jump in this then if it comes. We're in. Come on, we need a winner. Give it a little breathing room there. Come on then. Come on, yes. Let's go for all the way. Give me the 5. Lovely. Did we get it? Yeah, we got it. Nice, okay. So, yeah. 10:15 to 10:45. AM. And then I'm gonna give it that 11:55. I probably would have closed there, to be honest. I was just aiming for the bodies. So yeah, 11:55. So yeah, that's what we mean, man. You could take a bunch of losses and then you just need that one winner. To get you back. And honestly, this strategy wins more often than this usually. What is this, Wednesday the 13th of March? Tuesday the 12th of March had no trades. Alright, cool. I was pretty confident in that one though, I can't lie. Like, these are confident candles. The only thing I was worried about was that we wouldn't come back. We wouldn't come as far there. I thought I might miss it, but yeah, happy with that one. Got a bit more time, see if we can get another. Yeah, we're gonna miss that one. Do I want to jump in that? To be honest, I don't, because just like I said, we broke structure, but the reason this gave me so much confidence is because of these. And look, that is just, it's not confident movement. So I'm just going to let this one play out. Yeah, okay. That was New York Open, but we didn't get tapped in anyway. So yeah, we'll take the 1 win for that day. Keep it moving, people. Anyone who's watching this, you are a real one for sticking around. This is a strategy. Supply and demand is not my strategy, but this deep discount is a little tweak that I've made on the supply and demand strategy. Also, eventually, I do want to. I think I'm gonna. Eventually, I'm gonna learn how to enter less aggressively with more confluences. But right now, it actually kind of helps me because it's just easier. It's mechanical. So there's easy rules to stick to. It's like a horrible day. Okay. News as well. I think we'll finish at 12:30 now because New York Stock Exchange opens at 12:30. It's been opening at 12:30. Was it from today? Oh shit! This is today. Oh, we finished our back test then. Oh, this is right now. Did I have a trade set up that I was gonna jump in? I'm sure I was looking at one. I was looking at this one on GBP. Was I? Yeah, I was. Where was I looking to buy? Here, I think it was. Alright, cool. That's backtest over. I am unfortunately heading to London tomorrow, so I might not be trading. I'm gonna try and trade on the train, but it's a stretch.